Hey guys, this is Vesenia Lindsay, known as Ves. You may know me from YouTube, Twitter, Webtoons, to Pass, and any other social medias. I am here to make another awesome Kickstarter. So yeah, I'm going to be letting you guys know the goals, the rewards, a little bit about the story, and extras. So be sure to stay tuned for that. A little bit about this story. So basically, you guys, if you're new here, you can scroll down below and watch our little clip of what the main gist of Celestial Pulse is. But for those who are returning pulses, you know that this Kickstarter is focused on issue 6. It's the continuation of this issue, which is issue 5. And basically, Fuji's realizing a lot of stuff. She's knowing a lot of stuff about this mysterious guy, and she's stuck in a pickle now, guys. And book 6 will allow you to know what's gonna happen next. Now for goals. The goals for this Kickstarter is basically printing out issue 6. Again, guys, the books are going to be in color, so don't worry about it. It's gonna be just like book 5, 30 pages long, and just full packed with action. For those new pulses, don't fret. We have all the books available just in case you don't have the books. And for those who missed the last Kickstarter for issue 5, I did bundle it up with book 5 and 6 so that you guys could be able to receive those too. We're gonna have books, we're gonna have wallpapers, we're gonna have goodies, we're gonna have commissions. And on this Kickstarter, I'm doing things a little bit different. We're gonna have unlockable goals, extra like stretch goals, and that's gonna be able to allow you to purchase things after. Again, guys, for issue 6, it's gonna be all in color. So if you see this beautiful color in book 5, you will be seeing this beautiful color in book 6. So it's a little treat for everyone. And if you're still here and it's April 8th, go down to my YouTube, guys. I am streaming, and for those who pledged, they will receive an extra bonus that will be printed along with their bundle. So yes, guys, go down there now. Before I let you guys go, I want to thank you guys so very much for taking a look at the Kickstarter. Thank you for sharing, family and friends, and also helping me fund this project. Like, without you guys, this will not be a continuation. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart for helping me and continue on with Celestial Pulse in it. Again, guys, I hope to see you at the live stream so we can have fun and have these extra goodies given out to everyone.